That's the mail lady. Guys, welcome back to 3BH. I have waited a year to put this video out. Ever since I put out how to spring clean critters from your home's eave, I've received many a comment of doubt. I've also received a lot of questions, and I've also received some comments where people's tried this and it's worked extremely well for them. If you've not seen how to spring clean critters from your home's eave yet, check that one out first. This will make a lot more sense. One of the main questions is this real? Is this legitimate? Some people saying it takes them an entire can of bug spray just to kill a paper wasp nest, whereas I'm only using 2 ounces and I'm killing hundreds. Since I do this year after year, I decided to roll the cameras again this year to show you. So guys, in an attempt to catch these wasps, I laid down a white sheet over here underneath the roof line, and the intent was as they came off, they would collect on the sheet. Now guys, I'm using the same 2 ounce bug spray that I use every year. It has pyrethrin in it, and that is the miracle worker there. This is not an infestation. This is called hibernation, and they all huddle together, these paper wasps. They find the warmest spot, and that's at the top of your house, and they buzz their wings to the coldest times, and it keeps their bodies warm enough where springtime they can fly out and then go have their own nests. Now, the only wasps that I transferred to the bucket were the ones that collected on top of the white sheet. I did not go after the ones that flew off the roof and landed in the yard. That is several hundred wasps, and for 2 ounces of bug spray, that's pretty amazing. And guys, when you're spraying around your house, you want to look for any place that these guys can hibernate, especially on these corner caps. Now, the weed whackers had a good time at the back of my shop. This is the back of my shop. This is one of the corners, and you'll give a 15 or 20 second round burst under each corner cap. Obviously, your house corner caps are higher if you're not on a slab. My shop's on a slab, so you can see it's pretty productive. So I want to kill them while I've got them consolidated, because that's the best time to do it. Guys, when I put that video out last year, I did not show me rid my shop of hibernating wasps. Guys, I use the same techniques that I use on the house, and I just want you to check out the results. So here's the raptors in my shop. I'm going to put one on each side. So guys, again, if you hadn't seen that first video, make sure you check it out. There's a lot of pertinent information that'll keep you safe, and details that will help you maximize your results. Through this process, I'm going to spray each eave. I'm also going to spray each corner. You've already seen that. You can see those guys start coming out. This is one of the corners on my shop. This is the other on the back side. And these guys don't just fall down. They sometimes fly out, so be careful with that, because if you were doing this in grass, you will hear your yard buzzing, I promise you. This is inside my shop, and I don't like working in that, so this is the reason why I do this every year. So another question was, when's the best time to do this? Well, I always do it after the winter time, around February when it starts warming up. I typically go outside when it's between 50 and 55 degrees. They can't fly, and they're just better targets. Guys, I really hope you found this video informative. My name's Dom, this is 3 Bricks Higher. I post videos online about every 2 to 3 weeks, so check back or subscribe. That's up to you. We'll catch you next time. Oh, that's too close, man. Ooh. Okay, I've had enough.